782 horsepower, a 0-60 time of 3.3 seconds, and a car that can whisper through a city in total silence before transforming into one of the fastest four-door machines on the planet. Meet the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Speed, and this one changes everything. Bentley just retired one of the most legendary engines in automotive history. The iconic W12 12-cylinders, two narrow-angle V6 blocks fused onto a single crankshaft is gone, done, and in its place. Something that on paper sounds like a step back, but on the road feels like a quantum leap forward. A twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 paired with a 190 horsepower electric motor, producing more combined power than the W12 ever made. That's not a compromise, that's engineering evolution. But let's start where your eyes go first. The Flying Spur hasn't undergone a dramatic visual revolution, and honestly, it didn't need one. The silhouette is still commanding a long, muscular body carved from superformed aluminum, almost seamless in its surface quality, with chiseled flanks and those wide, arched wheel arches filled by enormous 22-inch rims. Look closer, and you'll spot the revised front bumper, the new radar sensor integrated cleanly into the grille, and chrome trim with a darker, sportier tint. It's a car that carries itself with aristocratic confidence, not loud, not shouty, just quietly, undeniably, Bentley. On the road, the presence is immense. In a deep, understated green, it reads elegant and restrained. Choose a bold color from the 140 exterior options or commission something entirely bespoke through Mulliner, and suddenly this car becomes a statement on wheels. Either way, it draws eyes without trying. Now step inside, and the conversation changes completely. The Flying Spur's cabin is one of the finest environments money can build. Handcrafted veneers across 14 wood types, or carbon fiber, or engine-turned aluminum if you want something more technical. New 3D diamond quilted leather has been extended to the doors and pillars. There are knurled aluminum controls and organ stop. Ventilation knobs that click with satisfying precision. You'll notice the absence of screens forcing themselves into your experience. The Bentley philosophy keeps technology in service of the driver, not the other way around. You can even rotate the center display completely out of sight for a full digital detox. That detail alone says everything about this car's priorities. In the rear, life is genuinely extraordinary. 14-way electrically adjustable seats with heating, cooling, and massage, pillowy leather headrests, a remote control to override your driver's radio choices, rear tablet screens, ambient lighting, and enough legroom that long journeys become something you actually look forward to. Some Flying Spur owners will never drive this car themselves. For them, it's a first-class cabin on wheels, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Here's where it gets interesting though, because this car isn't just a luxury object. It's a genuine performance machine. The ultra-performance hybrid system pairs that 600 horsepower V8 with a 190 horsepower electric motor and a 5.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack integrated into the all-wheel drive transmission. 0-60 in 3.3 seconds. A top speed of 208 miles per hour. That's half a second quicker 260 than the outgoing W12 speed in a car that weighs 2.6 tons. Think about that for a moment. But that's not even the best part. Because before you ever touch those 782 combined horsepower, this Bentley will glide in pure electric silence for up to 47 miles. Not as a novelty, as a genuinely usable EV mode, producing co-emissions 90% lower than the old W12 officially rated at just 33 grams per kilometer. You could run the school run, commute through a zero-emission zone, and never fire the V8 on most normal days. Then hit a motorway on ramp, floor it, and be reminded what internal combustion feels like when it's done at this level. And it does sound phenomenal. Unlike the W12, technically brilliant but acoustically underwhelming, the V8 delivers a genuine, unsynthesized snarl when you push it. It's the kind of sound that makes you want to leave the paddles in manual just to hold gears a little longer. The chassis underneath deserves its own conversation. New twin-valve adaptive dampers replace the previous generation's setup, solving a ride harshness issue that reviewers had noted in earlier Flying Spur models. Combined with Bentley Dynamic Ride's 48-volt active anti-roll bars, rear wheel steering, and torque vectoring across all four wheels, The Flying Spur now handles with a composure that genuinely defies its dimensions. It smooths over potholes like they aren't there. It flows through corners with a balance that feels almost impossible for something this size. And if you ever find yourself with a closed circuit and a fresh set of tires, yes, it will. Pull long, controlled drifts. Practically speaking, the Flying Spur is an almost complete package. Level to driver assistance, a full ADAS suite, wireless connectivity, the new My Bentley app studio bringing useful applications directly to the driver interface, and rear entertainment options that make long-haul travel genuinely comfortable for everyone on board. One honest caveat: the boot has shrunk to 346 liters to accommodate the hybrid battery beneath the floor. That's smaller than a Volkswagen Golf, in a car starting from around $230,000. It's the Flying Spur's one genuinely awkward footnote. Against competitors, nothing quite competes on these specific terms. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is technically brilliant but digitally overwhelming. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is more serene but less dynamically engaging. The Porsche Panamera Turbo S is sharper to drive but doesn't offer anything approaching this level of handcrafted luxury. The Flying Spur Speed exists in a category it has largely invented for itself: a Ford or supercar with a chauffeur-ready back seat and an EV range most electric city cars would be proud of. Bentley calls this their first four-door supercar. Having spent time with it on real roads, it's hard to argue. It is, in every measurable way, the most capable Flying Spur ever built. And Bentley is only getting started. Coming in 2026, the brand reveals something that has never existed before: their first fully electric vehicle, a luxury urban SUV. And when that happens, the conversation around what a Bentley can be is going to change once again. Stay tuned. The next car we're covering is going to surprise you just as much.